jump on the site, search the catalogue, and select the ideal gifts for your recipients. At this step, you can review and confirm your choices. Now all of the receipt details you need are names, email addresses, and phone numbers. Use the drop-down box to choose the gifts each recipient will receive. Pick as many as you want. What if you're sending out gifts to hundreds of people? Easy. Just bulk upload a spreadsheet, which will instantly populate the fields. Here you can craft a generic message for all of your recipients and see how it will look for them. We're really excited about the option to make it memorable with a video message. But what about those recipients who deserve that extra personal touch? You can go one step further and craft an individual message for them instead. Now simply pick the date you want your recipients to be notified of their gift via email. You can even choose Christmas Day, which might come in handy with the sharp delivery cut-off times this year. And voila! Your recipients get notified of your nice surprise. So how do they get their gift? All they need to do to accept your gift is to input their preferred delivery details, select a dispatch date, and say thank you then and there.